If your radiators are heating up but there's still no hot water from the taps, there are a few simple checks that may help you work out what's causing the problem. It could be caused by an incorrect control setting, reduced water flow, a frozen pipe, a boiler fault, or a problem with the diverter valve. Start with the simple checks. Turn on a cold tap and make sure the water is flowing normally. Then take a quick look around any visible pipework for signs of a leak, and check that any accessible water valves haven't been closed by accident. It's also worth checking more than one hot tap. If only one tap is affected, the problem may be with that particular tap, rather than the boiler. Next, check that the boiler has power. The display or indicator lights should normally be on. If the display is blank, check the electrical supply and any relevant fuse or switch. Do not open the boiler or attempt any internal electrical work yourself. If the water and power supplies appear normal, move on to the controls. Make sure the hot water setting hasn't been turned down or switched off accidentally. Check the thermostat, programmer, and boiler control panel, and make sure the hot water is set to come on when you expect it to. A recent power cut may have reset the boiler or changed the timer settings. The timer can also become incorrect when the clocks change, so make sure the time and program are both accurate. As the controls vary between boiler models, always follow the instructions in the manufacturer's manual. Another possible cause, particularly with a combi boiler during colder weather, is a reduced flow rate through the boiler. Open a hot tap, but instead of turning it on fully, reduce the flow and let the water run more slowly. A slower flow gives the boiler more opportunity to heat the water as it passes through the system. If the water becomes warmer when the tap is running slowly, this may help narrow down the issue. However, if the problem continues, the system may still need to be checked professionally. During cold weather, external boiler pipework can sometimes freeze. From a safe position, check any visible outdoor pipes connected to the boiler for signs of frost or ice. Do not use boiling water, a naked flame, or any other unsafe method to warm the pipe. If you're unsure which pipe is affected or how to deal with it safely, contact a qualified heating professional. If the boiler has detected a problem, it may show an error or fault code on the display. Make a note of any letters or numbers you can see, then check the code in the manufacturer's manual to find out what it means. Some faults may allow a simple reset, but only if the manual recommends it. Other fault codes may mean the boiler needs to be inspected by an engineer. If the heating works but the taps stay cold, the diverter valve may be faulty or stuck. This valve sends heat either to the radiators or the hot water supply. If it gets stuck in the heating position, the radiators may still work while the taps remain cold. Because it's inside the boiler, don't try to repair it yourself. Contact a qualified engineer. If the controls look correct and there's no clear fault, switch the boiler off, wait briefly, then turn it back on by following the manufacturer's instructions. A restart may clear a temporary fault, but if the same issue or fault code returns, don't keep resetting the boiler. It will need to be checked. Get your boiler repaired and covered with 24/7 Home Rescue. Call us now on 034 5319 2247 or visit our website